This video, we're going to buy Bushveld shares and also do a bit of research to justify the reason why we're buying them, and also tell you a bit about Bushveld. The first part is actually the buying of the shares, but if you carry on watching the video, you'll see me do the research or talk about the company. So first part is buying the shares using my Trading 212 platform with a potential minimum 150% profit if the shares return to the price they were 52 weeks ago. Bushveld Minerals Limited, we've done our research, I've read up on it, looked at the various websites, and brokers recommend to buy it. The shares are, the price of shares are down somewhat over a 52-week period. If they return to what they were 52 weeks ago, that would give us 150% profit. So all research done, now going to go for a buy using the Trading 212 platform. I'm on Bushveld Minerals, I press buy, and the value of shares I will put in £100. That gives me 851 shares. It's a market order because the London Stock Exchange is closed until tomorrow morning. This being Sunday night, Stock Exchange opens at 8 o'clock tomorrow. It'll be a market buy, so I'll buy at the market rate. When the so as a market buy, cost £100, no commission, 851 shares. Send by order. You're about to place an order for an AIM listed security. A bit of a warning because that's a small company. Do I want to proceed? Yes, proceed. And the order has been placed, £100 buy order. So we'll see how we get on from there. But I'm going to hang on to these. I'm going to put on a 30% stop loss. So if the shares do tumble, I'll protect myself. But I can't put that stop loss on until I've actually bought the shares. So once they've been purchased tomorrow, I'll put the stop loss on. So till next time, goodbye. Bushveld Minerals is the next company I've investigated and I'm going to invest in. They're a South African company that specialises in the mining of vanadium, which is a material used in the steel production industry and also in batteries. It's in demand in China, and with us coming out of the lockdown, the demand is going to increase. Looking at the price of the shares, the current price is 11.76, 52-week low is 8 pence, 52-week high is 29 pence. So if the share price returns to its 52-week high, that should give us 150% profit. I've done my research. I've looked at different ratios and looked on some brokers' sites, and they recommend it as a buy. So if all goes well, I'm pretty convinced that we could make a healthy profit. So I'm going to buy some shares in Bushveld using my Trading 212 platform. So we'll see how we get on. I'm now going to apply the stop loss on the shares to protect the maximum amount I can lose if the shares do drop in price. I go to sell and I go to stop limit, and it's the total number of shares I'm going to apply this to, and a 30% price reduction on the price I paid for the shares brings it down to 8 pence. So I'm going to put the stop price at 8 pence, and if the price drops very quickly, the maximum reduction in price I'll sell the shares for is 7.5 pence, 7.5. Then the expiration of this instruction, not to the end of the day, I'm going to apply GTC, good till cancelled. So that's going to be a permanent instruction until I cancel it, or the price does, if the price does drop. So so I've done that, and we now review order, which is, press that. That's a market order because London Stock Exchange has closed. It'll open again tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, and the time now is about 9 in the evening, 9:30 in the evening, or 21:35 as you can see on my phone. So yeah, 800 shares. The stop price is 8p. The limit price is 7.5p. So if a price falls to 8p, the selling process will be initiated. But if a price falls any lower than 7.5p before the transaction can be concluded, it won't take place. So I'm protected all round. So just send sell order, confirm, and the order has been sent. It's a pending order, so there it is on my screen there. So that's that job done.